This is the MOSFET installation for the Steyr AUG A3 and rate of fire comparison with MOSFET and without MOSFET. Okay. And change wiring also. This is Rhino 1500 25C. There. It needs wires, more wires, and the MOSFET. In this case, it's the BoA-Cheetah, designed by Extreme Fire. The all these should know it. And this one is the locally made variant by me. And oh, I forgot. I'm going to check the difference. If it will be more electrically efficient using this one. What meter? Oh, it's only 10.93 volts. And ooh, this is strong. This old ones. This is the positive terminal. Okay, very good. This one. Ouch! This terminals. Good. And then for the trigger. For the trigger wires, you can as thin as you can, whatever is available, because this will have barely no current at all. So no need for it to become thick. And we're done. This now for the MOSFET installation. This one is much easier than the other. Check, pull. Ta-da! It's done. Now let's try. Battery. Truth. Okay. Hold it properly. Wattage. Let's zoom a bit. Okay. Shot. Something flew. Try burst. Low battery.